Hey first graders, let's have another review. This time review 2. We're going to look at lessons 2, 4, 5, and 7. So if you want to use your book to help you, turn to page 10 and then to page 9. This page, remember? You can follow along with your book. Okay. So let's start with lesson 2. Lesson 2. So the key phrases we had for lesson 2, there are only 3 of them. The first one, what's wrong? What's wrong? The second one, I have a blank. Blue is a noun. So I have a headache, I have a fever, I have a problem, I have a worry. What's wrong? I have a blank. Okay? And then we have another key phrase. Both A and B can say this one. You should blank blank. You should blank blank. This line is green. Green means verb, so you should go. You should eat. And this is an object. So an object, you should eat food. You should get rest. Okay, so this is our first key phrase that we're going to look at. So let's say it together, guys. I'll say it first and then you. What's wrong? What's wrong? You don't look well. What's wrong? You don't look well. Okay, B will respond with I have a headache, I have a stomach ache. But here, we're using the word I have a grade. A grade can be good, a grade can be bad. That's why in orange, I have an adjective. I have a bad grade. What's wrong? A bad grade. Okay. Also, you can say, what's wrong? What's wrong? You look bad. You look sick. You look worried. So what's wrong? You look worried. You look sick. And then B will say, I have a stomach ache. Easy. I have a bad stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. Okay, guys. Looking on. We need a problem. We need a problem. I'm always late for school. Being late is not good. That's our problem. I'm always late for school. Then B can say, you should get up early. This is the solution. The problem, the solution. My suggestion, I think you should get up early. Early is yellow because it is an adverb. It's answering the question, when? When getting up? When get up? Early. All right, looking at another one. You should, so A, gives suggestion. You should, verb, go to school. Then B says, I can't. I have a fever. I can't. I have a fever. It's my excuse, my reason. I can't because I have a fever. Okay, guys. Let's look at this dialogue together. What's wrong? You don't look well. What's wrong? You don't look well. I have a headache. I have a headache. You should take some medicine. You should, verb, how much, what? You should take medicine. How much medicine? Some. This is my adjective. And then B says, okay, I will. Thanks. We have to finish our conversation. So, looking at the pictures, we can go through really quick together. I have a runny nose. I have a cold. I have a fever. You should, hamburger, eat hamburger. You should study math. You should study Korean. You should study homework. All right, guys, let's look to the next one. What did you do? Yellow is time word. What did you do yesterday? What did you do last week? Then we need past tense verb. I played. I ate. Okay? is the blank? And it's blank the blank. This, you can probably see it. I have it highlighted in purple. Preposition. In, at, near, by. Okay. Going quickly. What did you do yesterday? So yesterday, because we're saying did. Did yesterday. Did last week. Did last year. Okay? Say with me. I played badminton. I played badminton. So we have to have ed because past tense. Easy, right? Okay? Let's do another one. What did you do last week? What did you do last week? And then I made. Make is an irregular verb. Maked? No. Make changes to made. I made a cake. All right. So, where is the computer? And then we're going to say it's, need a preposition, it's on the desk. And then, where is Korea? It's on Earth. It's near China. It's on Earth. Okay. Another one. Where are the teachers? Teachers ends with S. Are. Where are the teachers? They are at the school. Notice we have the desk, the school, but because China is a name, capital C, we cannot say it's near the China. We have to say it's near China. All right, guys, looking at a dialogue. Let's say together. What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? Asking for a verb. So the answer to do is here. Play, played. I went to the park and played. I went to the park and played. Go, went, gone. I went to the park and played. All past tense. 2 verbs, maybe a little hard. Okay? Where is the park? Where is the park? And it is in Gochon, in the city limits, in the city, in the town, Gochon. Okay, guys, let's say it together. Where is the Statue of Liberty? Where is the Statue of Liberty? Okay? It's in the United States. It's in the United States. Or it's in New York. Okay? Eiffel Tower. Where is the Eiffel Tower? Where is the Eiffel Tower? It's in Paris. It's in Paris. Okay. All right, guys, 2 more lessons. Lesson 5. Let's look at this one again. What are you going to do? What will you do? This, another time word. Yesterday, last week, doesn't work now. We're asking going to do. So time word changes. Yesterday changes to tomorrow. Last week changes to next week. So what are you going to do? I'm going to verb object. I'm going to verb noun. What time should we verb? Usually, what time should we meet? Or what time should we watch the movie? What time should we eat lunch? Always a verb here, but what time should we meet? And then suggestion, how about, give me a time. How about 2 o'clock? How about 2:30? Okay. And then, sounds good, or I'm sorry, I can't. Okay. Let's say it together, guys. I'll say it first, then you. What are you going to do tomorrow? What are you going to do tomorrow? I'm going to ride my bike. I'm going to ride my bike. I will ride my bike. What are you going to do later? What are you going to do later? I'm going to finish my homework. So once again, verb, finish, my homework. My is a pronoun. But these two go together. My homework, my bike. Okay? All right, guys. Another one, this afternoon. So today, right now, is morning. So this day, later. This day after noon. What are you going to do this afternoon? I will study English. I'm going to study English. Okay, guys, let's look at more. What time should we eat? What time should we eat? And then how about, you have to give me a time. What is the best time? What time? Let's have lunch together. Oh, lunch sounds good. What time should we eat? Lunchtime is about 11:30, 12 o'clock, 1 p.m. Let's meet early. How about 11:30? Let's meet early. And then, sounds good. Sounds good. All right, guys, one more. What time should we meet? What time should we meet? How about 10:45? How about 10:45? Okay, let's meet then. Okay, let's meet then. All right. All right, guys, let's do a dialogue together. I'll say it first, and then you. What are you going to do next week? What are you going to do next week? I'm going to climb the mountain. I'm going to climb the mountain. So this is our object. This is our verb. I'm going to climb. I will climb. And then B asks another question. Do you want to climb it too? Do you want to join me? Do you want to come together? Do you want to go together? Do you want to climb the mountain together? Do you want to climb it too? It is the mountain. Do you want to climb the mountain too? Do you want to climb it too? And yeah. So A wants to climb it. Yeah. What time should we meet? This needs to be green, not blue. What time should we meet? That needs to be green. Okay? And then we need a time. How about 9 o'clock? How about 9 o'clock? And then, sounds good. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. A, B, B, A, B, A. All right, guys. Now, let's look at the pictures. I'm going to read books. I'm going to read books. I'm going to watch TV. I'm going to, this one's a little harder. This word here is picnic. I'm going to have a picnic. I'm going to have a picnic. I'm going to eat watermelon. All right, guys, last lesson. Lesson 7, store boss and customer. Remember? Okay. Can I help you? Can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for a blank for my blank. So we have to look for a thing for my person. Friend, mom, dad. This can also change to, may I help you? And then, how much is the blank? How much are the blanks? How much are the blanks? And then, it's blank dollars. It's blank dollars. They are their blank dollars. Okay, guys. Let's say together. Can I help you? Can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for a tie. Tie for my father. And then we'll change it. More polite. This is better to say to older people. May I help you? May I help you? And then, yes, I'm looking for flowers for my grandmother. Oh, sorry, I'm looking for flowers for my girlfriend. Okay? All right, guys. Now we're asking how much. How? This asks for adjective. So how much is the smartphone? So how much is the smartphone? It's $1,000. So that's how much. It's an adjective. How much are the shoes? So shoes, they are $60. All right, guys, let's look at the dialogue. Can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for a dog for myself. How about this cute one? He's my favorite. So how about this cute one? He's great. How much is he? So we're at a pet store. He's $650. Oh, that's too expensive. So long dialogue. Take a look at that one. Okay, guys. All right. So for the next bit of time, we have a worksheet we're going to do. We'll go through it together, guys. And then if I see you in class, we can speak it or we'll play a game. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, here's our worksheet. As you can see, I have two examples at the top. One is really long, the other is shorter. We're going to do the same thing we did last time, which is make a dialogue. So make a dialogue between 6 and 10 lines long. We're going to be using lessons 2, 5, 4, and 7 for the dialogue. Let's look at the top and go through the examples together. All right, here we go. What's wrong? I have a toothache. You should see a dentist. What did you eat yesterday? I ate some chocolate and candy. Where is the dentist office? It's near the park. What time should we meet later? How about 3 o'clock? Sounds good. The first dialogue is several lines. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a complete conversation. But let's look at the easy one and go through it. The easy one is only 6 lines. So let's read it together. Can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for a cake for my mom. How about this chocolate one? Okay, how much is it? It's $20. I'm going to buy it. Thanks. The last line, I'm going to buy it. That's a key phrase. I'm going to blank blank. So, using key phrases from lessons 2, 4, 5, and 7, make a dialogue like you did last time. Let's do one together. I'm going to pick a lesson. So I'm going to choose lesson 5. So let's go ahead and write it first. What are you going to do later? And I can answer, I'm going to go to the hospital. Okay, hospital's not a good thing, so I can then ask, what's wrong? What's wrong? Okay, and that follows with, I have a sore throat. I have a fever. I have a headache. And then A can say, you should drink warm tea. You should take some medicine. You should take some rest. And then A can also say, can I help you? So that gives us 6 lines, A, B, A, B, A, A. B can say, please, let's go to the hospital together. Please, let's go together. And then A can say, sounds good. A can also say, what time should we meet? Let's go to the hospital together. Sounds good. What time should we meet? B can then say, how about 12 o'clock? That is 10 lines. So our dialogue is really long. So I want the last part to be easy. How about A say, okay? So let's go through the dialogue together real quick. What are you going to do later? I'm going to go to the hospital. What's wrong? I have a sore throat. You should drink warm tea. Can I help you? Please, let's go to the hospital together. Sounds good. What time should we meet? How about 12 o'clock? Okay. That's another example of a long dialogue, but you can make a shorter one. Good luck, guys. Okay, guys, that's the worksheet. I hope this lesson was good for you. The book is finished, so until next year, I'll see you guys. Bye.